Good morning, children. So, children, in today's class, I will discuss regarding grammar, and in that, particularly, I will discuss regarding noun and the different types of nouns. So, first of all, what is noun? Can you tell me what is noun? Yes, children. When you think about noun, basically you can think that noun is a naming word. Yes, noun is a naming word, and the word noun is used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Remember, noun is a naming word and it is used as the name of a person, place, or thing. Person, there are different persons are there. Radhesh, Viraj, Parida, these are the names of person. Okay, so noun is a word which is used as the name of a place, person, or thing. Place, you can say there are different places are there: Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jammu Kashmir, and New Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad. These are the name of places. And name of things, things means the things which you can touch and feel, uh, like you can say book and chair, bed, stone. So there are so many things are there. So noun means, noun is a word. If I ask you what is the definition of noun, then you can tell noun is a word which is used as the name of a place, person, or thing. And there are some thing also which we can't touch, only we can feel and we can think, like love, cuteness. Okay, so these are also things, but we can't touch, we can only we can feel. So remember this definition: noun is a word which is used as the name of a place, person, or thing. And in before also I told you, children, there are different types of noun, and there are 5 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Remember these points, children. There are how many types of nouns are there? There are 5 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. Now let us go to proper noun. So what is a proper noun? What is proper noun? Proper noun, it denotes the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Okay, proper noun denotes the name of a particular place, person, or thing. Particular place. If I told you state, can you able to find out particular place? No, because there are so many states. City, it is not a particular place. City means there are so many cities in the world, in our country, in our state also. So particular place means, if I told you Hyderabad, yeah, Hyderabad is the name of a particular place. So you can say Hyderabad is a proper noun. Particular place, person, Mr. Parida is the name of a particular person. Okay, Mr. Avilas is the name of a particular person. So you can say these are proper noun. Particular place, person, or thing. Thing means book. Can you able to find out which book I am talking about? No, because there are so many books. But if I told you Gita, then you can able to find out a particular book. The holy book of Hindu religion is Gita, Mahabharat. These are the name of particular book. Okay, so you can say Gita is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular thing. So as per the definition, you can able to find out that what is a proper noun. Proper noun denotes the name of a particular person, place, or thing. Okay, keep in mind this point, children. So I think all of you can able to find out what is a proper noun. Now come to common noun. What is common noun? Common noun denotes the name of any or every person or thing of same class or kind. Again I am telling the definition of common noun. Common noun denotes the name of any or every person or thing of same kind or same class. Suppose I am telling boy. Boy means there are so many boys are there. It is a class that defines a class. I told you common noun means what? It is the name given for any or every person or thing. Any or every. Remember, any means one boy. Every means to all the individual of that group or that class. Suppose if I told cow gives us milk, that means only one cow doesn't give us milk. All the cow, the class of cow, all the cow they give us milk. So you can say cow is a class. Boy, it does not mean to a particular boy. It is a class. There are so many boys are there. Doctor means it indicates to the class. Okay, but if I take the name of a particular doctor, Dr. Ashutosh Sharma, then it will become a proper noun because it is the name of a particular person, doctor. But if I told only doctor, then it is a common noun. So common noun means you can say it denotes the name of any or every. Any means one or every means to the all the class. Okay, so common noun denotes the name of any or every person or thing. It may be person or thing also of same class or same kind. Okay, so doctor, boy, girl, book, mountain, these are common noun. Book is a thing, but it indicates to a class. That means all the books. Book means you can't able to find out a particular book. Okay, but if I told you Gita, it's the name of a particular book. So Gita is proper noun, but book is common noun. Okay, doctor is common noun, but Dr. Ashutosh Sharma is proper noun. Mountain is common noun, but Himalaya is proper noun. Okay, so boy, Viraj is a proper noun. He is a boy, but I am taking a particular name of a particular boy, Viraj. But if I told boy, then you can say it is a common noun because it indicates to a class. So children, in my further video I will discuss the remaining types of nouns like collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. And today I already discussed about proper noun and common noun. I hope after watching this video all of you can able to understand this. So just remember the definition. As per the definition you can understand to find out proper noun and common noun. Okay, so proper noun means it denotes the name of a particular place, person or thing, and common noun means it denotes the name of any or every person or thing of same class or kind. Okay, so thank you children. I hope after watching this video you can able to find out the difference between proper noun and common noun. Also in a sentence you can find out also proper noun and common noun. So thank you children.